to give any long introduction. Just a couple of things. I think something like 15 years ago we had a meeting in basically what was in Tel Aviv, then in Weizmann, then in Jerusalem. And that was on, I think the title was Ancient DNA. At that time the ancient DNA research indeed was not really what is just now. But why I want to mention is that well, maybe somebody in the audience took part in this meeting. The nicest thing for me was the reception in Jerusalem, in the town hall, on the balcony up there. And the vice mayor, we discussed a little bit genetics also, not that much. He had a very nice collection of archaeological connections there. But what he told us, and because this was a vice mayor of Jerusalem, I have courage to repeat it. He asked, who are the Ashkenazis? Oh, Ashkenazis are the best friends of Jews. Well, this is, otherwise I would not invent it myself. And yeah, because during the last 5 or 6 or 7 years, I was very much involved in trying to kill scientifically Khazar story, and therefore, okay. The second comment is concerning the choosing the right populations, and say some 5, 6 years ago when, well, 5 years ago when we really started to look again at the Levites, specifically Y chromosome, and specifically because of this confusion that Poles have 60% of this specific R1A variant, and Levi people have exactly the same percentage. Then I thought that I can collect in Tartu in Estonia also some Levis. And there was an occasion, it was a celebration of the birthday, 80th year birthday of one of the distinguished academicians whose name is Bronstein. He's still alive. He's now 85, or not, more. And there have been lots of Jews. Rabbi was also present. But I started to ask them whether you are Levi or not. And I would like to repeat it in Russian. And in Russian it sounds, Richard дорогой, как мы, русские евреи, знаем, мы Леви или нет? In translation, my dear Richard, how we Russian Jews can know whether we are Levis or not. It means that thanks to 70 years or 80 years, I can't recall him, Soviet rule erased much of this memory. And the third, the previous speaker mentioned briefly Luca Pagani and the Ethiopians. And he said, this Italian scientist, I'm proud to say that already 3 weeks Luca Pagani is working in my lab in Estonia. Okay, well, since our time is really, and then somebody wants to go probably to Haifa also, but let me first introduce Jani Verlich, from Columbia University, and the topic is extremely important indeed. For the reason that, you see, British want to sequence at high coverage. 100,000 Chinese immediately said that they will sequence at high coverage 1 million people. So the topic is hot.